So it's time for me to start collecting seeds. And look at all these beautiful seeds here. And this is actually, right there is a wasp. But it's a good wasp. It looks like the size of a queen bee. And she's there, focusing on the right one. She's actually getting the last of the hyssop. Where are you, girl? There you are, down here. And there's tons of seeds in here. She's getting the last ones, these little spouts. But as you can see, when the hyssop here turns dark like this, it means it's ready. Ready to be pulled, the anise hyssop. I got so many trees this year that have really sprouted out, like this tree right here, which I'm not sure what this is on there. And there's bee balm, all these bee balm seeds ready too. Alright, look at this bee balm. This is a lemon balm, which is a different, it's the same species as bee balm, but it's actually, it looks different. I think it's a different species, even though it's classified as the same one.